Ecowas don knack suspension for Mali. Dem don suspend Republic of Mali from all institutions of economic community for West African states. Dis na part of di agreement wey authority of the heads of states government of the sub-regional organization adopt after di end of the one-day extraordinary session wey dem hold. We tori pipo report say dem take dis decision because of the coup d'etat wey happen for Mali wey violate di transition chapter. The chairman of the authority of the heads of state and government wey be the president of Ghana, Nana Akufo-Addo, na im be the convener of this ogbonge ECOWAS summit. The summit na to analyse the socio-political crisis for Mali sake of the arrest, detention and resignation of the president and prime minister of the transition government, and to think of the next thing to do.
I'm thus using this opportunity to reiterate, on behalf of ECOWAS, our continued commitment to the peaceful transition in Mali with a basic goal of restoring democratic government and working for the stability of Mali and of our region. We must critically examine the dynamics of the current situation and make informed decisions.
After the end of the closed-door session wey last for about 4 hours, Oga Presido Muhammadu Buhari and the other West African leaders come condemn the coup d'etat and dem come describe am as violation of the transition chapter. Apart from the suspension of Mali from ECOWAS, the leaders come insist say make dem form new inclusive government to proceed with the transition program. Dem come still say make dem nominate new prime minister immediately, say dem need to respect the transition period of 18 months and make dem maintain February 27th wey dem don already announce for the presidential elections. The ECOWAS leaders say the decision wey dem take before, say the head of the transition, the vice president and prime minister no go fit be candidate for the election still stand. Say even if they agree to follow up the transition process for Mali, the leaders urge the international community to support the country so that make dem fit implement the transition program. Dem also instruct former president of Nigeria, Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, wey be ECOWAS mediator, say make him go back to Mali within 1 week to engage stakeholders of the decision wey dem don adopt. Oga President Muhammadu Buhari, before he comot for Accra, come follow Gambia President Adama Barrow do small talk, but dem no make public the details of their discussion. President don come back to Abuja tey. Dis one na the ogbonge informate wey TMC TV carry come give una on top with tori for today. My name na Chidima Anichukwu.